Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel. In this video I'm going to give you a bit of an overview and some beam shots for this new Olight. It's a gun light, right? BALDR RL Mini. Oh, got Spyderco Yojimbo 2 in the background, just for the heck of it. Alright, so the stats on this are pretty simple. 600 lumens maximum. Maximum beam distance 130 meters. Alright, but first I also have to tell you about their April flash sale. Yes, Olight is having another one of their crazy huge sales that they have. I'm going to include all the little details in the text description box, but this is just one of the lights that they're going to have discounted. A lot of stuff is going to be 30% off. Also, they have a limited edition Warrior X Pro that's going to be available. Alright, so check out the text description box. Save yourself some money. Alright, so what's up with this weapon light? First of all, this is a BB gun, okay? It's not a real gun because I don't have a handgun that can mount this. Not yet. I do have a lot of firearms, just I don't own a Glock or anything. But so I thought you'd want to see it on something. Alright, so how does this work? Well, basically it has these switches here, and you can turn the light on and off like so. Right, and there's two switches, so either hand. Alright. Well, let me know if you want me to review this this little BB gun here. It's fun for, you know, you want to shoot some bottles or something. It's alright. It also has momentary. Right, you can do momentary on, or if you just click it, right, constant on. There is a switch on the underside of this that allows you to select light, laser and light, or just the laser. Let's select that laser. Right, momentary or, hold on. So there's the laser. Now as for how this thing actually mounts, well, this thing tightens it, right? This lever right here. So, hold on. Right, so now that's released. You push this, and you can get it off. There you go. So how this works, you push on this, right? You see how that opens? So you open it like that, you slide it on to your rail. So once you have it where you want it, you know, against there, you just tighten that, and now it's on there. And so it's very, you know, it's very compact and ergonomic. Comes with that recharging cable, and that's magnetic. That's a power bank right there. And you just stick it to there, and now it's recharging. Right, now when it's recharging, it will glow red. I don't know if you can see, but that's glowing red. And when it is fully charged, that will glow green, right? So that's pretty convenient. You know, they put that on the bottom so that you can recharge it without having to remove it from its mounted position. Alright, so that's pretty darn useful. I mean, you hear a bump in the night, it's good to be able to see your potential target. Alright, at this time let me roll in a little bit of some beam shots. I went to the creek, and we'll see this outside. Then we'll come back for some final thoughts. Alright YouTube, we're out here on the old testing board with this Olight gun light. Let's do the laser first. There is the laser. You can click it on, click it off. Alright, let's switch to the light. And there is the light. That is pretty bright, definitely. And there is also a combination setting which I will demonstrate with a longer range shot. You'll see that. But yeah, well, that's plenty bright. It's very wet and rainy out here today. Alright, a closer look at the laser. Alright, pretend that tree is a bad guy. Alright, you see? See that laser on that tree? Pretend that was a bad guy. I'm way back here. I'm way back here. Alright, and there is the laser. Pointing at the little pots. Alright, so if that tree was the bad guy, they'd be all lit up. And I'm back here. Alright, nice distance on this. All right, YouTube, out on the road with this Olight light, and don't worry, this is an abandoned area. There's nothing, there's nobody going to be here to feel threatened or anything. But hold on, focus. All right, there we go. Yeah, do you hear those frogs? Man, the frogs are going crazy. The frogs are going crazy tonight. But yeah, this is a pretty good light. Up to the treetops. What's over here? Just more road. Let's go check out the creek. All right, YouTube, here we are overlooking Frog Creek with this Olight weapon light. And there you can see the laser. Yeah, you see that laser? There's the laser. So I'm back here. I'm way over here. Okay, so if the bad guy was right there, if that tree was the bad guy, hold on. Yeah, you see the dot? That's a laser. Alright, YouTube, so that's this Olight gun light at Frog Creek. Alright, YouTube, we are back. I hope you enjoyed that. So this was really just a quick overview of the light. If you are interested, I would highly recommend checking out some of the firearms channels on YouTube that will actually show you a lot of shooting with this light, because that will reassure you that yes, it can withstand, you know, the shock of actual firing. All right, so, but I also wanted to make this video because I wanted to tell you about the sale. And I don't only make a sale video. If I ever announce like a sale, I will always review something or overview something, because I want the video to continue to be useful when the sale is over. All right, so that was a quick overview and some beam shots of this BALDR RL Mini. You know, you have to be able to see your target, all right? It's the bottom line. So it's vital to have some sort of way to illuminate your target. All right, YouTube, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to check out that sale, save a lot of money, 30% off, even if you don't need a gun light. They have EDC lights, keychain lights, tactical lights. They have that limited edition Warrior X Pro, which looks very sweet. All right, this has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.